Is lower in C sees if a character is lowercase or not. We have this code here with an array of characters. We loop through the array and print out whether each character is lowercase or not using the isLower function. Characters in the range from lowercase a to lowercase z are the only characters that isLower considers to be lowercase. So this code will only output that the lowercase h is lowercase. IsUpper in C sees if a character is uppercase or not. Let's set up some code so you can see the functionality of IsUpper. We will have a char array of 3 characters, so chars square bracket 3 equals the array containing lowercase q, capital Q, and the number 1. Next, we will loop over these characters, so for in I equals 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. On each run of the loop, we will see if the given character is uppercase. So, if IsUpper of chars square brackets I, inside the if statement, we will do a printf statement that the character is uppercase. If we actually ran this code, you would see that capital Q is the only character that would get a printout from our if statement. That is because IsUpper only considers characters in the range from uppercase A to uppercase Z to be uppercase. Like and subscribe to learn more.